In this video, we'll show you how to merge duplicate contacts on your Android or Samsung phone. So depending on whether you are using the Google Contacts or the Samsung Contacts app, the process is slightly different, but it's easy to do. So first let's go to the Google Contacts app. Now here you will need to go to this Organize tab. Here you should see this Merge and Fix option. Simply tap on it. Now here you should see this merge duplicates option. So this will show you all your duplicate contacts. You can then use this merge option to merge all the duplicate contacts, or you can also tap on this merge all button at the bottom to merge all your contacts in one go. So this is for the Google Contacts app. If you are using Samsung Contacts app, simply open it. Now here you will need to tap on this three dot icon and then select settings. Now here you should see this merge duplicate contacts option. Simply tap on it and here you should see all your duplicate contacts. Now you can use these checkboxes to select the contacts that you want to merge and then tap on merge at the bottom. You can also tap on this select all option to merge all the duplicate contacts in one go. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.